Haven't seen Joe Williams in quite some time. He is here, but he is not here at Rotterdam Square. His son's car is here. He is not. Only got out a handful of times last year, less than a dozen, as a matter of fact. 2 at Utica Rome, 3 at Fonda. Sounded like every time he got in the car, something went wrong. We'll find out more about that.
Yeah.
He'll be at Fonda in 2023. He's got a DKM car. He's in his 24th year of racing, 63 wins total between IMCA Sportsman and Modified.
Yep.
Haven't seen you in forever. How you been?
Just racing as much as we can. My son's racing as much as we can, and we're just enjoying it as a family.
Man, you got some guns on you now. You've been working out?
I lifting cement blocks at work.
Oh, is that what it is? So it's the old-fashioned way of getting arms. Okay. How's your car right now?
My car is pretty much complete, ready to go for next year, or this year. We just had to have the motor fixed a little bit from an accident that we were in. And,
okay.
But we loaded. I washed it after the Fonda 200 weekend and loaded it up, and it's pretty much ready to go. Just gonna put some new tires on it, and we're ready.
Of course, we've nut and bolted it and checked all the welds, all that stuff,
we do
right?
that every week anyway. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but when you did take the body off and give it a good look-see.
We have never had a mechanical failure in 20-something years.
Really?
So we go through the car every week with a fine-tooth comb, probably more than we need to.
Okay.
Take every single panel off, lift it up, we wash underneath it, we check every single little thing. We powder coat parts, colors that we can see cracks.
Right, you can see the crack easily. Yeah, because black doesn't really do that, right?
If we get a part that's black from the factory, it usually gets repainted so that we can visually see if something's happening.
No, but he's right. I know some people with yellow and different color orange frames, and it really does stand out more when that crack is there.
Flat black is the worst we've learned.
You can't see it.
There's no color change, no shine, no anything.
So what would be the best word to use if you had to choose one? And remember, it's a G-rated channel for last year and how things went. Because otherwise, I don't know what kind of answer I'd give for Joe.
I would say nightmare.
Nightmare, okay. I like that.
24 years of racing, and I mean, we couldn't put together 2 races on a string if we had to.
Really? What was going wrong? Was it wrecks? Or?
It was just wrecks and part shortages. Unfortunately, we wrecked all the parts that there were part shortages for.
Yeah, rear end you told me you were looking for, right?
Rear end in half, and we decided as a crew, we're like, should we put a used rear end in the car? And they were like, well, we put $1,000 in a used rear end, and it's bad. That's another $1,000 that we have to come up
one of the tubes has been. A friend of mine buy one.
Yep.
Went to slide the axles in. Uh-oh. They don't go.
I know racers are the most honest people on the planet.
Most of them are.
So we waited. DCAM got me a new rear end within, it was like 2.5 months. And we were able to get back racing again. And then first night out with it fixed.
Oh, no.
Had a car roll over the front of it. We were caught up in a wreck. Car was rolling, and I kind of drove right underneath them. Cleaned the radiator, carburetor off the motor, cooling fan, water pump, and it was
And I've heard from other people who've had the carburetor taken off, by driving underneath somebody, you got to make sure to take that motor apart, make sure nothing got down in there, right?
Yeah. And
did it?
Oh yeah.
Something did. Lots of things got down in there.
We fired it up, had all kinds of leak down, and so there was internal injuries. Thought we had it repaired. Brought it back out the last week of last year for the Fonda 200 weekend. Friday night it ran great. Saturday it was just a dog. And come to find out, it pushed a rocker stub right out of the cylinder head, so I was riding around with 7 cylinders. So
well, you're fortunate something more didn't happen, aren't you?
Big time.
Yeah. I mean, anytime you got push rods not doing what they're supposed to do.
I'm talking, this thing was just, the push rod was just hanging out inside the engine. It wasn't.
Could have caused a valve to stick or something.
We're very lucky, but I knew something wasn't right, so I didn't push the issue, and we just loaded it up and knew that we were going to have some work ahead of us. But
I want to thank Racing with Swagger, by the way, for helping us get here. And, of course, Supply Wagon Rentals. You guys want to get on board, help us hit the road this year, we'd be more than happy to talk about your business. Yep. Racing with your son, how's that going?
Awesome.
Yeah?
He's way better than I have.
Really? He's going to get more than 63 wins, huh?
We're on average 20 wins a year.
Wow. Has he already gone past you?
Well, I had 232 go-kart wins.
Oh, so he's not going to get that. Okay. You got a ways to go, young man. Okay, all right. He's standing right next to me, too.
I mean, you're looking at the kid that's number 2 in the country right now.
Really?
And, we run the National Series, and we raced in Florida and South Carolina and Georgia all winter. So we were able to. We have family in Georgia, so we left the trailer, carts, everything down there.
Nice.
We just drives me back and forth to race. Yeah.
All right. Well, good to see you again.
Yes,
guys.
Doug, it was great to see you.
Yeah,
for sure.
you see you all the time at Utica Rome, pretty much every. I got tons of pictures of you. I got to find a way to get those to you.
all
So
that stuff. Yeah.
nice to see you again,
Yes.
and good luck with everything.
Thank
okay.
you so much, Doug. I appreciate
Again, hit the likes, turn on the notifications, subscribe, please. Are you subscribed?
it. Oh, absolutely.
All right, I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah.
Always good to see you, Joe.
Yes, Doug. Thank you.